What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a humidifier. Now, this is not just any humidifier. This is a MistFree humidifier. So that is going to be very interesting. This is my first ever MistFree humidifier. Now, this humidifier is by this company right here. Not going to butcher their name, you guys. I'm not going to do it. I'll let you butcher their name. I don't know all the specs, so I will be going over the instructions on this because we want to hook this up the right way, okay? We do not want to mess this up. This is not, well, of course, it's not a cheap humidifier, but it's not your basic humidifier, you guys, like, the ones that, the regular humidifiers. This one is a smart humidifier, and we want to make sure we hook this up smartly. All right, so right here you have it says Climate Master. Okay, we will figure this out. This is interesting. It looks like a little hub. Okay, this is a plus. You gave me batteries. I'm running out. All right, so user manual. So this little box right here has its own user manual. Interesting. So this is like a little hub, but we will figure out what's going on here. All right, so you can download the app on Google Play Store. Okay, so this has to be the Wi-Fi hub for this thing. So we will save that to the side. Have your power adapter right here, and then to hook up your power is right there. They have tape right here, and they have tape right here. What we're going to do is take the tape off because I'm pretty sure that's how you find out where the tank is. Now, yes, they said this is a mist-free humidifier, but I'm pretty sure you still have to add water, you guys. All right. Now, this is for y'all that have asthma, allergies, and all of that stuff, especially in the winter time. It gets tough for you. I know that a humidifier is very important, and they are really doing humidifiers big these days. Okay, so right here, this top part is obviously a motor and a fan. All right, you see the fan right there, and the fan is driven by a motor. Most fans are driven by a motor, you guys. So it has to be a motor in here, and we don't want to get this wet. All right, that's just common sense, you guys. You got to have common sense when it comes to this. So this bottom part looks like a tank, all right? And this obviously looks like a filter. So I will be doing some reading, you guys, but I'm just doing a general unboxing and unbagging. Kobe. All right. Now they gave us some cleaning utensils. I like this. You can use this for our dishes. I'm not using this for this. I'm using this for dishes. I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm just kidding. Have a sense of humor. All right, you push that in and clean, 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 clean. All right. So what it says, before use, please align. Y'all can read it. All right. They tell you, they have an arrow right there, and it says please align, and then what you want to do is align it so it can be in the same spot. All right, so that's pretty cool. And here is the connections for it. All right, so your electronic connections are right here, and then you have your connector right here. All right, perfect. Okay, so this is our main motor. We do not add water into this. We do not want to damage this, you guys. It costs too much to damage. Warming tips: wash filter before first use. Okay, so there we go. Wash filter before first use. And then number 2, it says filter installation. Turn left to loosen. So let's see. We turned it left. And this is your water tank, you guys. And they have a max level on here. So this is maximum level. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fill it up maybe like halfway so we could do the demonstration inside of the studio. Just to check out the no mist feature and all of that. So it did say wash the filter first, so that's what we will do. Oh, it even says right here in the instructions, do not add water to this. Do not add water to this. Do not add water to this. It says it right there in the instructions. Boom. I'm going to post it right for you. So you do not add water to your fan motor, everything. The most important part is right here, you guys. This is a tank of water. This is electronic. You do not want to damage this. Okay? So let me go ahead. I'm going to add some water, turn it on. All right, you guys. I filled it up halfway. This thing holds a good amount of water. Now, the filter is like a cloth style, you guys. That's why they say you could put it in the washing machine. You don't want a whole bunch of dirty water and bacteria, because that's what humidifiers do. Humidifiers, water builds up with bacteria and all types of nasty stuff. If left like that for a while, you want to clean your filter and your humidifier. So we put it back on, righty tighty, you guys. All right. I see why they have a max line, because once you put your filter in, your water level goes up. All right, and the filter sits right there perfectly. There. You want to make sure it is in. All right, and that's how you install. Now I'm going to go ahead. All right, so there you go. It lets you know that it has power. And let's see, power button. Oh, that's nice. Once you hit the power button, the fan goes. Very nice. Oh, I can feel the fan. The fan feels good, even though it's cold. All right. So right now it says 0.47. So it looked like 47%. I want to get into the directions. All right, you guys. So here we go. We are with the humidifier right now. Very nice. Got the name right there. I kind of left the stickers there just so I can align it very well, but it has the arrows right there. So if you need to align it, you can align it really good. All right. Now I can't even see the water level in here. So I know I'm halfway, but I barely could see the water. So that ain't no big deal for me. So right there we are at 0.48. But what I'm gonna do right now is just do the walk around with y'all. All right. So of course, on the bottom, that is the power button. So we got the power button, and then the fan went off, hit the power again, and then you see the fan cuts on, blowing nice and well. Now you have these three lines right here. That is the humidifier level. All right. So we're going to press it, and you hear it going higher. Press it again. And it's going high again. I'm gonna press it again, and it's back to level 1. So you got 3 levels. That's why they got 3 lines right there. All right. Now they have A. I'm going down the list, you guys. So A is auto mode. So A is right here. If you want it on auto mode, you could put it on auto mode. We have a sleep mode. It says turn on or off sleep mode. And then you have UV light, which I already touched that. So UV light is right there. Still going down the list, you guys. Ambient lights. All right, so that I believe is to change. Nope. Okay, there you go. That's pretty cool. I like this color right here. Look like fire in there. Auto. So will it change on auto? Let's wait here just a few. I think it's changing colors, but I think it's doing it slow. It's still on yellow. I thought it went green. Okay, there you go. All right, takes a little while. So auto is not rapid, okay? Auto is nice, gentle, and slow. And what do we have? Auto shut off timer. So this is your auto shut off timer right here. Boom. All right. And then you have filter reset. So it says when the filter needs replacement, the red filter light will illuminate. Long press 3 seconds until the buzzer beeps. When you change your filter or clean your filter, then you have to press your filter reset. I believe you could either replace it or you could clean it. Like they said, you could clean it, put it in the washing machine, and go on with that. Now, don't say what detergent to use and all of that. So I'm not going to get into that. I'll try to post up as much as the instructions as I can while doing this video. But other than that, that is it, you guys. So if you don't want the light on, you can leave the light off like that. And that will be it, you guys. All right, you guys. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, you guys. I'll try to get back as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a humidifier, but this is not just any humidifier. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have